This is how I caught a fish while I was kite surfing.
Yeah, good one.
I was trawling around with lures
That's a good gang.
for a little while, not too long, but so I had a float with a rod zip tied to it. So once I'd hooked the fish, then I'd set the hook and then let go of the float and chase the float down, which is what I'm doing now. So I've got a fish on, dragging back to the lure, to the float to grab my rod, and then I'll put the kite down and reel the fish in. It's as simple as that. There's a fair bit going on,
Come back.
but yeah, it's good fun.
Ah, you bastard.
Missed it then.
Fuck yeah, this is a good fish.
There we go. I've got to sit on the board, get in the water, put my kite down, and get the fish. I was panicking through this, worried about sharks. The kite was pulling me away. The fish that was dragging, it was really hard. I couldn't pull the fish in. There was too much tension on the line. So once I figured out that I had to put my kite over the other side, okay, so bring it up.
Alrighty, let's do this.
Trying to hold on to the rod as well. It's quite difficult. Alright. Nearly right. Alright. Now we're set. Start pulling in the fish. And so I had about 30 meters of line behind me. So it takes a little bit to get it up. The whole time I was worried about sharks, but it's not long. There it is. There's the colour. It starts to show. It's coming up. There it is. Getting closer. Struggling. I'm stuffed at this point. Bloody. There it is there. So I get the fish and I've got some rope that I tie around its tail and throw it over my shoulder. And then go in. So there we go. So I get the fish. So this is from the camera on my lines. So I've got the fish tied around its, I got the rope tied around its tail. And there's my rod, and there's the fish. And then we go in. Back to the beach. Nearly made it. But so, because it was a southerly, there's a big rock that the wind sheltered from. So my kite dropped and I had to swim in and somehow got my kite back up. My kite fell out of the sky, picked it back up and laid on my surfboard and went into the beach, made it in. And yeah, I got some funny looks. But anyway, I got a fish while I was kite surfing. Dragon look.